Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Facebook on the device you use most. Make sure two-factor is active for safety. Once logged in, open Settings and Privacy, then choose Privacy Checkup. This central tool shows basic controls. Start with profile and tagging, set future posts to friends or custom, and restrict who can see your friend list. Do this now so subsequent steps apply to the correct visibility baseline. These first actions reduce broad exposure immediately. Once done with the initial sweep, move into detailed settings under Privacy and Profile sections. You change who can see your future posts, then use Limit Past Posts to convert old public posts to friends. This closes legacy leaks. Next, check contact info, birth date, and about fields individually, making each one friends or only me as needed. Also enable timeline and tagging review so you approve tags before they appear. This prevents unwanted content from surfacing on your profile. To finish, audit connected apps and websites. Revoke permissions for any service you no longer use, because apps often keep data indefinitely. Then go to Ad Settings and turn off data-based ad personalization where possible. This reduces profiling. Use Activity Log to delete or hide posts, and clear your search history to remove traces. If something goes wrong, recheck login alerts and session history. Log out other devices, and change your password immediately to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.